Hello GRC119, I'm Michael Bale, your instructor this semester. How are you all doing? Hopefully you're all finding your way around web campus with no problems. If you are having any problems whatsoever, please let me know as soon as possible. I wanted to make a video to introduce myself so you can put a face with a name, and I will probably do a video once a week just to kind of recap what we've covered and to answer any questions or address any problems we might be having. And the first thing I want to talk about is the hallway conversations post. If you have any questions regarding the class whatsoever, please post there first, because what usually happens is if one student has a question, 2 or 3 or more other students have the same exact question. So please post there first, and then I can answer for everybody. If you do have another question or you need more clarification, feel free to email me also. But if it's regarding the course, let's just post there first, and usually you'll see another student answer your question for you, or at least I can get on there and everybody can see the same answer. Okay, so especially for you night owls who like to work at 3 o'clock in the morning doing your homework. Speaking of, I usually will answer your posts within 24 hours and your emails, excluding weekends and holidays. So keep that in mind when you're posting. If you need immediate assistance, the hallway conversations is the best place, because other students are typically seeing your posts there before I am, especially if it's really early or late, and they can get back to you faster than I can sometimes. So let's work on that, okay? Speaking of discussions, please remember that your initial discussion posts are due on Sunday at 8 p.m. You've seen on the calendar, I added some of that so you guys know what's coming up and you have a reminder in your homepage on Web Campus. So please post your initial post by 8 on Sunday, unless otherwise indicated in the instructions, and then post your replies to your fellow students by 1 o'clock on Wednesday. The reason I have you guys do this on Sunday is because you need to have enough time to respond to each other, right? So please make an effort to do that. Also, I want to talk about an acronym that was in the syllabus and the syllabus quiz, which is PST, which stands for Pacific Standard Time. The reason this is important is, first of all, this is an online class, and second of all, that's how the digital landscape is and the digital economy. You need to make sure you know when your client is expecting work, or when you have deadlines, you need to know the time zone that you're in. Let's say you're on vacation somewhere and you have homework due Wednesday 1 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and you're enjoying a vacation over spring break or something. Let's just say you have an assignment due. You need to know that it's due in Elko time, Pacific Standard Time. So that's important. So make sure you're watching for that, okay? I do have some other things I want to cover. I will be posting another video that will cover your written responses and the PDF that I've mentioned several times, the samples of written responses from excellent to unacceptable. I will cover that in another video, so watch for that. I will also discuss the rubrics for the assignments and the discussions, and formatting your paper, as well as college level writing. Those will all be in another video together, so watch for that. Please remember that I am here to facilitate your learning, so if you need help at any time, please reach out to me. Don't feel frustrated and struggle and feel like you're alone, because you're not. In an online setting, I know it's more difficult because we don't have a classroom that we can see each other face to face, but if you guys want to meet in person to go over something, or if you want to talk to me on the phone or Skype or any of those things, please keep that in mind. I'm here to help you. I don't ever want you to feel like you're struggling, okay? So please remember that. Also, your fellow students are there to help you too, so please utilize that hallway conversation post. That's all I have for you guys, so have a great week.